Are you looking for a single family, single story home right here in Silicon Valley? You want it to be affordable and you want it close to companies like Meta, Apple, Google? Well, you got it. You're gonna like this single family, single story home right here in Union City. Amrit, what do you think?
This is a beautiful property, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. A few minutes away from the BART station. You're so close to Union Landing for restaurants, shopping, a lot of hiking nearby. Palo Alto is 20 minutes away. Amazing opportunity. Come take a look. Thank you so much for taking the tour.
As you saw, it's a great home and it's a great opportunity. If you have any questions, reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.